Hi, my name is William Smith. This will be my second time returning to Sibley Implant Institute. I returned because I wanted to get more experience placing. So far, between today and yesterday, I've placed 21 implants. I may be placing 2 more here shortly. Core Plus differed from Core 1 because they pushed us a little more to, lead the cases ourselves, from treatment planning to placement to the bone grafting and things of that nature. So the value added from taking this class is that I feel very confident to go back and start placing implants. I could have right after Core 1, but I wanted to get a little more experience, and this course kind of reassured me that, I can successfully place implants on my own now. So my implant journey just started last month. I was here for Core 1 and now I'm back for Core Plus. So I'm just going full throttle and trying to take in as much information as I can. I would definitely recommend Core Plus to students that have previously taken Core 1 in the past. It just adds to the experience that you have already gained from Core 1, and it helps build your confidence even more.